We love kwanyo kwanyo ngomi coyo. Pay for the kun kideng. We love kwanyo kwanyo ngomi coyo. Pay for the kun kideng. Oh mera ni no more do you kill it lopping up pay coyo. Oh mera ni no more do you kill it lopping up pay coyo. You might be the great, but your message is weak. Your profanity is a crush for your lack of technique. You discuss your internet with a police flare, but you hiding for the substance. And you so impaired, you ain't chasing back, but your papa's unclear. You are making music for the wrong reason. I can see your fear. You are not a leader, just a follower. Your music is a carbon copy last trending holder. You are losing your identity in the process of a fame. You are sacrificing your value for the sport in the game. But what it costs you so devastation? Is it what the price if it's no domination? You better than that, don't you know your name? Use your voice to